Dabeera Adeeba of 1st standard is going to tell you about the importance of Islamic education. I invite Ms. Dabeera Adeeba of grade 1 on stage.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the merciful. I am Dabeera Adeeba of grade 1. I am going to tell you about the importance of Islamic education. Islamic school, apart from giving only worldly knowledge, it helps to gain success in both the worlds. Our Ali public school is such one kind of school. Along with all the other features, our school facilities all the syllabus according to Quran and Hadith. Our syllabus are carefully written by taking the stories of Sahaba and the great scholars of Islam, which not only gives the knowledge about Islam but also makes us understand how to lead our life. Ali Public School celebrated Children's Day by conducting Hamdinat competition. Ali Public School celebrated Colors Day, Fancy Dress, Flowers Day, Vegetables Day, Fruits Day, Nutrition Day, Environment Day, Reading and Writing Competition, Sports Day, Educational Excursion, etc. Along with these, we learn Hadith, stories of Sahaba, Hifz Quran, and so many things which is very much important for the life here and Akhirah. Our school is a combination path of success towards in both the worlds. It is important to enroll your child in an Islamic school to be a successful human in both the worlds and a better citizen of our country. Jazakallahu khair.
Jazakallah khair, Dabeera Adeeba.